Hey up, you alright there? Stamford Street Co. 8 pork sausage rolls. They're in date. Into Sainsbury's Lee. Now look at the old nitrogen. There it is up. And the old ingredients right there. 17% pork. 17%. It's an absolute glorious day today. I thought I'd treat myself to some Sainsbury's Stamford Street pork pies. Pork pies, sausage rolls, 480 gram the 99 pence. Right there. But I've cooked these. The old air fryer's rigged up. I've let it sit there for 5 minutes. Cooked them. I only had them in for 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes there. Cooked them right in there. 99 pence for 6. 17%. 17% pork. Well, let's get my knife and fork out there. Knife and forky. Now, I've done a review of these, but I haven't cooked them. I've just cooked them there. Let me just check that price there. Memory says 99 pence. Here we are. Here she is up. Sausage rolls, 99 pence. Balance Joe, £7.8. And how many points have I got today? £1.49. 1 pence for every pound you spend there. Old Sainsbury's. Right. 99 pence for 8 sausage rolls. Listen. Yeah, you can hear that crunchy pastry there, alright? 17% pork. Look how golden that is. Now I've had them in about 8 minutes. Something like that. 160 in air fryer there. Throw them in at 200 for the last couple of minutes to golden them off. 99 pence for 8. That's whatever that is. Let's have a look here. I think I said this when I had them cold. I did a review just cold. I didn't cook them. And if my memory serves, I think I said the same thing there. When I'm about to say sage. It tastes of sage. I'm getting sage here. Can't remember if I checked the old ingredients, but I'm definitely getting sage. I've got a sage here. Blah, 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 blah. And see for yourself. It doesn't say sage there. Now, you know, sage and onion stuffing. That is exactly what I'm getting here. Sage and onion stuffing. It's a nice crispy pastry there. Light and crispy. Literally. That pastry just literally melts in your mouth. It really does. It's a lovely, lovely pastry. There's a bit of oil in that pastry. It makes it really nice. That oil really makes it taste better. 17% pork. I'm telling you now, it's sage and onion stuffing this. That's what it tastes like. That pastry there, it's light, it's crispy, and it literally melts in your mouth, and it's got a lovely oil to it as well. Normally when you have these oils, they're rancid oils. This oil works well here. Look at that there. She's zooming in alright today. Look at that. Nice and steady there. Look at that there. Look at it. You're salivating there. But it really does taste like sage and onion. No getting away from it. And there's no sage in ingredients. No, it's got onion in them. It says onion here. Yeah. Really, it does say on the old ingredients onion. But I'm telling you now, if you've had your sage and onion stuffing, listen. Really crispy pastry there. That is extremely crispy. It literally melts in your mouth, that pastry. That is a very good pastry there. It's got no right being here because these are 99p for 8. This pastry's too good for this sausage roll. But I'll tell you. Oh. I'm telling you straight again. I think I said the same thing when I had the cold one. A couple of months back there. I'm getting sage and onion. There's no sage here at all, according to the old ingredients. The onion's there. I can taste the onion. But I am getting sage. There's no doubt. There's no doubt about it. Now these are from Sainsbury's, Stamford Street Co 8 pork sausage rolls there. 99p. 99p for 480 gram. Double check them ingredients for me, will you? Clearly onion there. It doesn't say sage anywhere. I am getting sage and onion alright. Hang on. 99p. I had them cold on last video. I've cooked them today. That pastry literally melts in your mouth. There's oil in that pastry that's really nice. Gives it some nice moisture there. Once that pastry literally melts away, that sage and onion kicks in. I'm telling you now, that's nice. These are 99p for 8. Now the do tiers in Sainsbury's there, you can pay more and more, but same thing, sausage rolls is free. Free sausage rolls. And you can pay a little bit more and a little bit more again. But I'll tell you, you don't need to. I haven't tried them. There's no need to try them. There's no wrong with these. I mean, what is just more pork in these? You know something as well. Very surprising here. It's very surprising here. I think these taste better warmed up than they do cold. There's no doubt about that. A nice plate of chips with these will be spot on. Oh, nice tin of baked beans. Nice tin of baked beans here. Be spot on here. What was I saying? Can't remember what I'm on about now. Chips or beans with these will be spot on. But that pastry literally melts in your mouth. There's an oil in that pastry. I don't know what it is, but it's lovely. Some of these oils you get that are put in, you can tell straight away they're foul, but not here. This is a good pastry. This alright melts in your Ah, that's what I was going to say. I haven't put any sauces on. I haven't put the old Heinz salad cream, the old HP sauce, there's no, this won't work with tomato sauce or barbecue. They're not required here. But there's no sauce whatsoever. It doesn't need any sauce. There's no sauce required at all with this sausage roll. And these cost 99p for 8. This is literally value for money. Value for money. When was the last time you heard that? Nice and soft there. Help pork. I'm getting the onion, but I'm telling you. Yeah. I can't get away from it. To me, these are sage and onion sausage rolls. And I am mightily impressed with these sausage rolls for 99p. I had them when they were cold. I've done a video of that. Cold, not cooked. And I think I was impressed with them then, but I'm telling you now, they still taste the same. They still taste to me like sage and onion. There's onion, but there's no sage. That's not a bad thing because they taste really, really nice. 99p. They're an absolute bargain. Nice cup of tea there and some chips or some baked beans. These are spot on their own. I don't even need any sauces. Normally I'm throwing sauces left, right and centre. Trying to improve the situation. Except on pork pies, they don't need nothing. They're spot on them. With the old Branston pickle, I don't think these would work with a Branston pickle. They don't require it. They work well on their own. And remember that these are 99p. I just can't get over it. I've said earlier they've got 3 tiers. Price goes up the more pork that's in them. I ain't bothered with those expensive ones. These are the ones I tried to start with. They're spot on. 99p for 8. Can't get over how good these are. I cannot get over how good these are. I want to give these, I can't remember what my old review were on the cold ones. Same ones, but they were cold. Weren't cooked in air fryer. I'm going to give these. I'm going to give these 8 out of 10. 99p for 8. The basic bargain in Sainsbury's. I'm going to have to buy those expensive ones. Sainsbury's again on the tiers 2 and 3. I'm going to have to buy them just to see. Because these are outstanding for 99p. 8 out of 10. Is that what I said? Can't remember now. Don't matter. You heard it anyway. Wherever that number was, I'm amazed how good these are. 99p. And they taste better warmed up. Slowly cooked there. What did I have them on there? 160 on air fryer. Then I threw them on at 200 degrees for the last couple of minutes to crisp them out there. 8 out of 10. 99p. Bargain. Right there. Cheerio there.